Good morning. This is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. In the US, equities had a mixed day, with Apple being the main drag, slumping 2.35% to $90.34, its lowest level since June 2014, as concerns build over declining demand for iPhones. On the other hand, telecommunications and consumer markets helped make up for the drawdown. The US 500 ended flat for the day on 2,064. The US Tech 100 declined 16 points, closing on 4,342, and the Wall Street gained all of 3 points to close on 17,725. In the commodities sector, Brent Crude continued its upward climb, adding 51 cents to close on $47.92 a barrel, while gold dropped $11 to close on $1,266.80. In Europe, Carney held a conference yesterday to inform of any rate hikes, while at the same time the Bank of England governor cautioned that the risks of a vote to leave could possibly include a technical recession. A vote for Brexit could cost jobs, raise prices, see the pound fall sharply, and even lead to recession, the Bank of England warned in its quarterly inflation report. The pound strengthened on the governor's remarks as traders speculated that the bank's comments supported the argument against Brexit. Sterling had been down to $1.44, but ended the day barely changed at $1.44.55. On the other hand, growth picked up in Germany in the first quarter of the year, with GDP expanding by 0.7% compared to 0.3% in the final 3 months of 2015. Growth in the first quarter was again predominantly driven by domestic demand, which helped to offset weak trade as imports outpaced exports. The IMF said this week that Germany needs to raise infrastructure spending and integrating a wave of refugees into its labour market to ensure its long-term economic prosperity. The UK 100 declined 16 points to close on 6,127.2, and the Germany 30 fell 38 points to close on 9,891.3. In today's corporate news, Coca Cola HBC said volumes were stable in the first quarter as good growth in Nigeria, Romania and Poland was offset by a weak performance in Russia. And British Land revealed that Bank Clydesdale is the newest tenant of its offices in Leadenhall Market, which is now 98% let. Today, economic data in focus. At 9 a.m. the Eurozone gross domestic production for quarter one is released, and at 12:30 US retail sales for April are released. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.